you've been keeping oil in your hair overnight, it's time to stop immediately. This causes dust accumulation and weakening of hair strands. 1 to 3 hours is the perfect amount of time for hair absorption. You can also switch to applying warm oil because that leads to faster hair growth. Less is always more when it comes to hair oiling. More oil makes washing the hair difficult as it makes you use more shampoo than you would normally use, leaving you with dry hair. To avoid this, you can oil your hair with only a tablespoon of oil. Then work your way up by increasing the oil application depending on the length and density of your hair. If you have a dry scalp, more oil on the scalp area, and for an oily scalp, focus on the ends. Rigorous massages can create friction in your hair strands that causes easy breakage. Similarly, long massages can weaken your hair follicles. You can massage for 5 minutes with a massager to get the perfect gentle chumpy. You can also use your fingertips to massage. Apply light to medium pressure in small circles. Then massage the entire scalp to stimulate hair follicles and increase blood circulation. Hair becomes super sensitive and prone to breakage after oiling, so letting them loose is the best way to go about it. You can avoid combing or tying it into buns and braids. Wrapping your hair in a towel is another big no, as the towel is rough on your strands. Go for a microfiber towel or a soft cotton t-shirt that helps in deeper absorption of hair oil. Avoiding these mistakes will ensure longer and healthier hair. If you like this video, check out some of our other great hair care videos here. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.